Hey guys, it's your girl Sheila, and I'm doing the 2 oatmeal pies in 2-minute challenge created by Cocoa Empire. Oh yeah, Cocoa Empire, y'all want to know how she did on her own challenge? Go check her out and go show her some love. I'm doing this challenge. I wasn't challenged, but hey, we gotta support us. Let's get into this challenge. Oh yeah, baby. All right, you guys. So this challenge is a 2-minute challenge, and you're gonna eat 2 small oatmeal cream pies. Now, if you don't have the small oatmeal cream pies, you can get 1 large cream pie, and you can also drink on this challenge. But y'all, I'm gonna try not to drink on this challenge. Hopefully, I won't get choked. All right. So we got a timer set for 2 minutes. Let's not dilly-dally. Let's get it. Let's go. But just in case, y'all check out the link below. Coldest water. Sheila 10 to get you in. I got my water on deck just in case. Oh yeah, baby.